Welcome to this tutorial. In this session, we'll show you how to set up storage locations in your blood bank system, so every unit has a clearly defined place to live, from quarantine to ready to issue. Let's get started. From the sidebar, navigate to Blood Bank and click it to open the Blood Bank dropdown. Then, go to System Setup. This is where you configure the building blocks the rest of the module relies on. Now select Storage Locations. The page opens with a list of the storage areas you've already set up, so you can review what exists before adding more. Click here to add a new storage location. A short form opens with two fields, a name and a description, ready for you to fill in. In the name field, enter the location, for example, quarantine holding area. This is the label staff will see whenever they move or assign a unit, so keep it clear and specific. Next, in the description field, describe what the area is for. Say, a restricted section for blood units pending laboratory screening and approval. A clear note here keeps staff from storing units in the wrong place, which matters most when safety is on the line. Now click Create to save it. Your new storage location is added to the system. And that's a wrap on storage locations. You've just learned how to add and describe a storage area for your blood units. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial as we continue setting up your blood bank system.